Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In my last video, we have solved the first part of question number 1 of exercise number 1.6. Now, we will solve the second part of question number 1. Question number 1 is use matrices if possible to solve the following system of linear equations by matrix invariant method. We already learned about the matrix invariant method. Now we will solve the second part of question number 1 by the matrix invariant method. So the question number 2 is 2x plus y is equals to 3 and 6x plus 5y is equals to 1. You know that here a is equals to 2, 1, 6 and 5. These are the coefficients of x and y, and x is equals to the variables that are involved in the matrices, and b is equals to the 3 and 1. So we know that ax is equals to b because these equations will be equal to 2, 1, 6 and 5, x and y, which are equals to 3 and 1. So from here we can say that ax is equals to b and x is equals to a inverse of b, because we want to find the value of x and y. So x is equals to a inverse b, and we know that a inverse is equals to adjoint of a over determinant of a. So to solve the question, first of all we find the determinant of a, which is equals to 2, 1, 6 and 5, and this will be equals to 2 into 5 minus 1 into 6. So it will be equals to 10 minus 6, which is equals to 4. 4 can never equal to 0, so we can say that a inverse exist or a inverse possible. It means we can find the inverse. Now we find the adjoint of a, which will be equals to 5, 2, minus 1 and minus 6. Now put these values in this equation. X is equals to x and y. A inverse is equals to adjoint of a over determinant of a, and b is equals to 3 into 1. Now we will multiply both these matrices. We get 5 into 3 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 6 into 3 plus 2 into 1 divided by 4. This will be equals to 15 minus 1 minus 18 plus 2 divided by 4. It will be equals to 14 minus 16 divided by 2. So x and y is equals to 14 divided by 4 and minus 6 divided by 4. This 4 will be divided by both entry of the matrices, so it will be equals to 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. So 7 by 2 and minus 8 by 2. So from here we can say that x is equals to 7 by 2 and y is equals to minus 8 by 2. This is the answer of second part of question number 1. So y is equals to 2 4s are 8, y is equals to minus 4. These are the values of x and y. Now we will solve the next part in our next video.